Hi guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to share with you just an easy, quick, and inexpensive breakfast. I got a subscriber request to do more budget-friendly meals like I used to do. So today, when I left the house, my objective was to go to Starbucks. And then someone cut me off and I couldn't get over to Starbucks. Then I said, well, I'm going to run over to get breakfast. I'm going to run over to Chick-fil-A. And then somehow a truck got in front of me and I couldn't get over. So I had to do a U-turn, do a turn, and then I ended up, I was like, well, I'm right here at Dollar Tree. So, and the parking lot was empty, and I saw the car of one of my favorite associates there. So I'm like, I'll just go in there and see what they have. So they had some nice, fresh bagels, and I only use half of a bagel. Okay, so I got some of these. They had these Jimmy Dean heat and serve sausage patties. There's 4 in here. So like me, that's all I'll just use 1 sausage patty, half of a bagel, and then my favorite coffee, my Harry and David coffee breakfast blend, and some water. So this is $5. The coffee will last all week. The water will last 6 days. I use 1 bottle and then I'll just refill it all day long. Then I have 4 of these, and then, that's all, I'm gonna worry about. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to the stove, heat these up, heat the bagel up, and brew some coffee, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, it only took a couple of minutes to cook this little sausage here. I'm just gonna have in half of the bagel. I got all the seeds. This is a everything bagel from Ellies from Dollar Tree. And then this is all I really need to get started for the morning. I have a coffee. We have some Harry and David gourmet coffee here. And I opened up my bottle of water. Here's my water here, and then I refilled it and it's already getting cold in the refrigerator. So let me see, I wanna see how this sausage tastes. It's Jimmy Dean. Jimmy Dean does have good sausage. The bagel is awesome. It's soft and very soft, and like a bagel should be. And all I'll need hopefully in your pantry, you try to keep your condiments. I just need a couple of shakes of hot sauce. If I had to run out and run some errands or go to work, you can easily take this to work. So those Jimmy Dean heat and serve. Just a minute, guys. It takes me a long time to break down food. So, what is that? Oh, it's my earring. But yeah, this is a good, for $5. Most of the days of the week, I'll have bagels all week long. I have, because I eat half of the bagel, so I have 8 bagels, only 4 of these little sausages, and I spent $5 for the week, and that can just stave off some expenses. It's good. I'm not eating anything I wouldn't order. I will order a breakfast bagel at a place, a coffee, and an ice water. That's what I would order if I went out somewhere. So just wanted to share that with you, that if you're in a pinch, you know, these are some options for you, okay? All right. Thanks so much, and I appreciate your support. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. I've been getting some new subscribers. Hello and welcome. And I did this for my special subscriber. I did this video, and I will be doing more. And thank you so much. Hit that like button if you like this video, got some inspiration, some ideas from it. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Okay? Okay. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. I'm looking I just got back from Dollar Tree, so I'm looking kind of rough. Okay? All right, but guys, bye.